Benefits of drinking aloe vera juice and side effect of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is an amazing plant. It is very water dense. Aloe vera can be taken daily. It has some added benefits when anyone take it daily. Studies have proven that when aloe vera is been taken daily, it can boost the lifespan of mammals 20%. The daily dosage of Aloe Life Juice of 2 tablespoons can be taken before meals as supplements to increase absorption power 3 to 10 times. Balance out acidic effect in body. Aloe vera juice help to keep your liver healthy. Helpful for constipation normalization. Aloe vera juice boosts the water content in the intestines, which helps to pass stool naturally. Helpful for skin protection, effects of ultraviolet, UV, radiation and repair your skin from existing UV damage. Nutritious drink. Aloe vera juice is very much nutrients drink. It contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid. It also contains calcium, copper, chromium, sodium, selenium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, zinc, and vitamin B12. Help to relieve heartburn. Aloe vera juice can protect you from heartburn attacks. Help in digestion. Aloe vera juice help to digestion running smoothly. Aloe vera can help in decreasing irritation in the stomach and intestines. Aloe juice also help people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other inflammatory disorders of the intestines. Aloe vera juice helped reduce the pain and discomfort irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Help as beauty pack. Aloe vera juice can be used for the following. Makeup primer, apply before foundation. Makeup remover. Sunburn soother. Lightweight moisturizer. Treatment for irritated scalp, mix in a few drops of peppermint oil. Can anyone take aloe vera juice in empty stomach? Yes, it can be taken in empty stomach. Anyone can take it every morning an hour before the break first. Aloe vera juice has detoxifying property which help your in-body detoxification. Aloe vera juice also helpful in cleaning the intestines and help bowel movement smooth and healthy. So, if you have constipation you can take it. Aloe vera juice is useful for constipation patient. Below are some interesting way to take aloe vera juice. 1. Orange, strawberry, and aloe vera smoothie. You can use it as antioxidant drink. 2. Aloe and ginger tea. It can be taken as afternoon drink. 3. Pineapple, cucumber, and aloe juice. It can be taken after food. It will help to improve your digestion and detoxify your body. 4. Aloe vera juice with lemon. It can be taken at morning in empty stomach. It keep your bowel movement smooth and healthy. It is allowing advisable to take doctor's advice before using any product.